Episode 55E. Europe, Russia, Georgia, and Azerbaijan. 2 video stories about the life of people in NK after the blockade of the Lakan corridor. JA News. It is warm in Arev's house. The son again installed a wood-burning stove in the house, which was used during the war. Africa, Asia, China. Nation ready to further promote green transition. ChinaDaily.com.cn. China Daily. The annual density of PM2.5, particulate matter with a diameter of 2.5 micrometers or less, for instance, has fallen for 9 straight years. India, air conditioners with PM2.5 filters. 12 best AC in India from the best-selling brands, 2023, The Economic Times. The Economic Times. PM2.5 filter 100% copper coils, inverter compressor variable speed compressor, flexible inverter technology, variable speed inverter compressor. India, car PM2.5 filters. Honda launches 2023 Honda City facelift in India, price and features. East Coast Daily English. The 2023 City facelift comes packed with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, PM2.5 cabin air filter, remote control operation by a smart. New 2023 Honda City prices revealed, all key changes explained. India Car News. India Car News. The new 2023 Honda City also gets wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, wireless charger, rain-sensing auto wiper, and PM2.5 cabin air filter. India, Brahmapuram.
Brahmapuram, choking in Bepuram, families flee bad air koche news, Times of India.
Times of India. At the air quality monitoring station at the Tilla Mobility Hub, the levels of particulate matter finer than 2.5 micrometers, PM2.5, were recorded. India, Chhattisgarh. 13-year-old girl fed burning wood during exorcism in Chhattisgarh. NDTV.com. NDTV.com. A 13-year-old girl was seriously injured after she was thrashed and a burning piece of wood was thrust into her mouth in an ashram in Mahatmand. India, Delhi. Light showers, Delhi, Gurugram's AQI improves slightly. Tribune India. Tribune India. The PM2.5 and PM10 levels stood at 137 and 252, respectively. Add. Gurugram reported an average AQI of 120, moderate, while the Sector 51 zone. India, Gurgaon. Now, remote sensors to keep track of vehicular emissions in Gurgaon. Times of India. Times of India. Roy Chaudhary said a study for Delhi had found that emissions from traffic contribute around 17% to PM2.5 pollutants, tiny particles that can get. India, Kochi. Air quality bad in parts of Kochi due to waste plant fire. The Federal. The Federal. The level of PM2.5, tiny particulate matter less than 2.5 microns in diameter that can enter deep into the lungs and even the bloodstream, was found. Kochi waste dump fire under control, but air quality dips. Hindustan Times. Hindustan Times. He said it was the highest increase in PM2.5. Particulate matter refers to tiny particles or droplets in the air that are 2.5 microns. Not Kochi, it's Pollution Control Board station equipment that is choking. The New Indian Express. The values of PM2.5 and PM10 at Vitala are on the higher side. These particulates are expelled in large concentrations from the exhaust of. What has Brahmapuram smoke done to Kochi's air and people's health? On Manorama. On Manorama. On Saturday morning, Kochi's PM2.5 and PM10 levels were really high. PM2.5 is particulate matter 2.5 micrometers or less in diameter. As fire smolders, pollution in Kochi worsens. Times of India. Times of India. At the Air Quality Monitoring Station at Vitala Mobility Hub, the levels of particulate matter finer than 2.5 micrometers, PM2.5, were recorded. India, Mathrubhumi. Stay indoors, residents urged to wear N95 masks as air quality hits new low. Mathrubhumi English. The level of PM2.5, particulate matter, hit 441 micrograms per cubic meter at 10 p.m. on Sunday, which is an extremely dangerous condition. India, Pune. Doctors blame Pune air quality for black patches in lungs. Times of India. Times of India. It's the concentration of carcinogenic particulate matter, 2.5, PM2.5, in AQI scale since October last year, was full of particulate matter. India, Shivajinagar. City reports poor air quality. Hindustan Times. Hindustan Times. As per Safar, Shivajinagar reported a PM2.5 particle concentration of 307, which was a very poor category. Alandi reported 300 AQI in the poor. Research papers on health effects of PM2.5. Wood smoke is 90% PM2.5. Allergic rhinitis and PM2.5. Wood smoke is 90% PM2.5. Allergic rhinitis children with obesity are more vulnerable to air pollution, a cross-sectional study. Nature. When exposed to higher concentrations of CO, PM10, and PM2.5, the rates of worse nasal discomfort were 39.4%, 44.4%, and 39.3% in obese children. Intensive care unit, ICU, admissions, and PM2.5. Wood smoke is 90% PM2.5. Warming and PM2.5. Wood smoke is 90% PM2.5. Warming may amplify plant emissions and dust, endangering future air quality. Weather.com. The Weather Channel. Changes in PM2.5 surface concentration after 4 degrees of warming. Black dots symbolize statistically significant changes.